हेलो हेलो। वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम एवरीवन। नए स्ट्रीम के साथ बात करता हूँ। अरे, सो कमिंग टू यस एंड what do we have? We inverse this for our gap. We inverse this for our gap, and we tapped into this gap, which is a good ideal. When did we tap? London reversal and your continuation profile here. That's what we are looking at. This will be our draw, the initial draw, and hopefully that will be a previous day low as well. What is the previous day low here? हमारा प्रीवियस डे लो है ये, तो या वही है प्रीवियस डे लो। सो यही हमारा ड्रॉ है आज के लिए, बिकॉज यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे तो प्रीवियस डे, like with previous day candle we have created a big favorable gap here, but we can still push lower little bit because of this what do you say, new week opening gap. But coming to the day, यही चीज होता है कि प्रीवियस डे लो हमारा ड्रॉ रहेगा आज के लिए, बट देखते हैं। We can also chop around because आज PMA FOMC है, तो we can just chop around without taking previous day low and then pop down or previous like on FOMC to previous day low, वो भी हो सकता है। No sound? No. How is that possible? Please.
Hello, can you guys hear me? Check. Let me check myself. Oh, yeah, yeah. Thank you, sir. Let's see. I swear, previous low is our target for today. Uh, So let's wait for previous low. The daily, we have to flip the daily candle and tap into that. Let's wait for that, guys. What's up? What's up, buddy? What's up? What's up? How is it going? I do have this one stage here. Be considering a low probable day, personally, I'll be careful about what's gonna happen. I already don't like this large peak and large pullback and continuing with that direction, and after that leaving these large big candles here. This is a chop in lower time frame. If you see, look at this. What did I say? This is a chop. So even if you try to take any trades inside of this chop, you will be get chopped out, or at least you'll be, go break even. Sorry for this. That should be fine. Lock that out. Now you are locked. Yeah. Yes, is very close. Yes, is very close to previous day low. If that clears, then I should be, staying away. What about gold? Gold. Gold is in still in a range. Looks like if you look at the 4 hour, gold and silver are still in a range. To have this one stage, we can only consider this a safest push higher if we close above this high, creating this swing point. But the problem here is this swing point is created out of nowhere. There is no key level so that we can consider this low is created off of, and we can push higher from here. There's no there's no key level to deliver the price from. So low probable here. Even though we might create a swing point that will be not much reliable swing point, I would say. We do have this high and this low. We are basically ranging inside of this range. Range. I think here in gold and silver today. Back to the oil. Oil is a bit interesting. Daily 4 hour. Yeah. Right, this closure, this candle closure here, so that we can consider this swing has formed. This swing has formed, and we can push higher till here or till this swing point in oil. Looking at HO, even HO might support here because of this low resistance liquidity. We can just rip off these highs and take out those highs very easily. Why is not coming properly? कहाँ से भाई? अब आ रहा होगा ना दीपक भाई? Sir, yes sir, Robson, welcome to the stream. Long time no see. थोड़ा So be careful for today, guys, because of PM session. Sorry, FOMC. Hashtag में नहीं भाई, तो ऐसा सोचना इसको कि ये पूरा रेंज से नहीं निकल रहा, तो ये रेंज लो हिट करके ऊपर भी जा, पर रेंज हाई को भी जा रहा हो, वो भी हो सकता है ना। So you have to be careful about this. Let's see if that favor like upholds. Gold will chop, guys. Gold तो chop ही करेगा almost. Don't think so gold में कुछ मिलने वाला है आज. Nothing in gold. मेरा माइक टेस्ट करता और को आज ही मिला है टाइम. ये ಬರಾತೈತಿ ಯಾರು ದೀಪಕ್ ಯಾರು ಇದೆ ನಮ್ ಬೆಳಗಾವ್ ದೀಪಕನೇ ಹೇಳೋಪ್ಪ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ can you reduce a bit the size of oh my video let me let me do that bro. I think this will be better for this. If I come this close to the mic, how will be my voice? अरे नहीं, इतना मत, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा लाउड हो जाएगा ये। ठीक है, ठीक है फिर तो। एक लैंप लाऊँगा एक। भाई, एक इज़ुमी, इज़ुमी, देख भाई, तेरा 5 मिनट का फेयर वैल्यू गैप से कोई ट्रेड लेता तो चूक जाते भाई। देखना तू। खाली है वो, इसमें खाली का है दिखा तो। Guys, how to play this background music, guys? इसमें तेरे को कुछ पता है क्या, ये स्ट्रीमर लोग बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक कैसे बजाते हैं? नहीं रे, स्ट्रीम में लोग बोर हो जाते हैं ना। नहीं तो मेरे को कुछ बकचोदी करना पड़ेगा। Guys, I think today uh, my mindset for today is not to take any trades because of PM FOMC. So let's see. ये दीपक ने कನ್ನಡ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತೈತ್ಲಿ? ಯಾ ದೀಪಕ್ ನೀ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಾವ ದೀಪಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಬೆಳ್ಗಾಂದ ಒಬ್ಬವ. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ದೋಸ್ತರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೂ ಭಾಳ ವಿಚಿತ್ರ ಅನ್ಸಿತ್ತು. I think unless perfect setup, we don't take any trade today. Exactly, bro. Yesterday the shot we have taken, that was only one expansion what we got throughout the AM session. After that, the market came back and gave us a very deep retracement. That was the only move yesterday what we captured after taking one loss. But that's fine. Losses are just part of the day. But like the plan was so perfect to go shorts to those low resistance liquidity. The time was wrong, maybe. बैकग्राउंड लाइटिंग और एक लैंप अरेंज करना पड़ेगा. देखो तो 5 minute, even though after giving that inversion, that's actually a perfect inversion. But right next candle is giving us a dump back in range again. So what I was trying to explain is it's forming some kind of range here. Look at this. If you see here, this is a range. Like even we got an inversion here. Even we got a first. Let's go through the story. So even we had a good displacement. We got this inversion. Even we got this inversion, we had a dump back again in range. So this is a very unhealthy condition. No direction at all. Just chopping. And this is very acceptable because of big news event on PM session. So no need to worry about this, guys. No need to be surprised about what's happening in the market today. Have these lows. This is the previous day low. This is all draw for today. That's the last one. So if we somehow reach it with a deep pullbacks, then we can't do anything about it. These are the days where we have to just sit back and watch. 14 watching, guys. Make sure to hit like the stream. I think the only like we'll get is mine daily. What the fuck, bro? Let me see how many likes we got. At least for today, four likes out of 16. 4 out of 16. 17 watching and 4 likes, bro. Come on, bro. I think we are having this SMT with YM. We had this PSP though, but considering this SMT, we need to come out of this range, or else there is nothing. Or else there is nothing. We need another 25 subscribers to reach 300 subscribers in total. Can you guys please hit that subscribe button and make it 300? Let's have a timestamp of like 1 week to reach there. Hopefully, we'll reach. यार टेलीग्राम बंद हुआ है ना, तो फिर भी ये टेलीग्राम में नोटिफिकेशन कैसे आ रहे हैं मुझे? Nothing else, guys. Just a total job. have hoped for my very big. Sir, yes, sir. Previous low will be cleared. Let's see. That I will take the previous low. Permanent instead of delivery, but this is not enough. What do you say? RR for us, not worth risking. Like the target from here. It's not a time. Like the name of very good. That was previously. I have no idea. Not in this trade, but yes. Let's see. See if that pushes lower. यस मैं 3 मिनट का सेटअप था राहुल भैया. मेरा स्क्रीन देखो ना तो पता चल जाएगा. बताओ बताओ बताओ. मैंने यहाँ पे ये ब्रेकर अलाउ नहीं करेगा. हाँ मतलब हाँ ये ब्रेकर होल्ड कर सकता है ना. हम्म. But if this spent 4 to 5 candles here, I don't think this is safe to take trade. Even take a trade, even plan a trade from here. See, see, we also have this 30-minute change instead of delivery. It should just reverse from here at this point now. 3 minute level gap. This is a trade. Not even you can even try to work to capture from this fair gap. This is the only logical move we can get today, or else the day will be kind of choppy. No, no, no. I'm not in trade, bro. I'm not planning this. I'm just watching if the market moves because when if I take this trade, this is a draw previous day low, so I don't think so. I'm gonna get most out of it. So just avoiding it today because of PM FOMC. देख रहा हूँ. Yes, yes. Yeah, because of news. अगर normal day होता तो we would have tried it out. Hmm. Yes, yes. Very early to 10 a.m. I would say. वो भी एक reason हो सकता है. भी कैसे हो सकता है? मेरे स्ट्रीम में बैकग्राउंड में आवाज आ रहा है क्या गाने का? यूट्यूब में। Lucid. For I think 448 4,800 rupees. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है। कॉपीराइट ना लग जाए, मैं तो गाना लगा के बैठा हूँ। या एक्चुअली look at the NQ discount. We decided this yesterday itself, not to you know force for trades today. Even even this shot was good, no? Actually, no, like even it will go in a direction, it will just give deep retracements and then move in direction, which is not a favorable condition. WhatsApp sir. इसका मतलब क्या है भाई? तेरा नाम है क्या ये पुडिंग करके? पुडिंग का मतलब क्या? Is that your name? I think NQ had a setup. Pudding 68811. What does this mean? Shit day. Shit unexpected. Can't do anything. And I'm surprised like people are still taking those trades. Bro, make sure to like the stream, guys. 4 likes. I see my friends watching my stream and fuck, bro, they are not even liking my stream. A minute पे वाला gap is here. If this is a 1 hour 10 a.m. high, then 5 minutes should flush lower. Like if anyone would have sorted this here, it stops about this body. Looking for 2 hour. Let's see. Let's just test it out. I'm not in trade, guys. Or like I just want to see pre FOMC if it's a really choppy. Because this is very important FOMC as much as I heard about. The reason is the new the new the new appointment and meeting with him. So that might be the reason. And a lot of things going on. I haven't heard about Iran and America had a, you know, deal. So all of these things. The main thing, but the main reason is FOMC. Look at that. Even uh, and switch in what time frame? But but visually, candle will tell us that the trend switch is happening. Yes, yes. Like for example, uh, ES even after being bearish, if this closes bullish, and NQ even after being bullish, if this closes bearish at the same time, then you can say that there is a trend switch. Yeah. हाँ। वही तो आपको मतलब कैंडल से ऐसे ही तो पता चलता है। ये- हाँ, देखो इट्स वेरी सिंपल। अगर आपको ना 1 आवर 4 आवर में ऐसा दिखा, तो एनीवेयर इन लोअर टाइम फ्रेम इट इज द कैंडल विजुअल कैंडल लॉजिक ओनली। तो या एक्चुअली वही तो हम भी पहला ऐसे ही तो चुद जाते ना। Literally, literally other streamers are watching YouTube in their live streams, bro. ये देखो, literally other streamers are watching YouTube in their live streams. मेरा YouTube ओपन करके देखो। Look at this. Other streamers are watching YouTube in their live streams. They don't want to trade, I think, today. Shit. Literally no one are interested to trade today, bro. It, this indicator printing the SMT automatically. Yes, bro. It's printing automatically. We just print automatically as soon as the SMP forms. In all the assets, you don't need to do different settings for all those assets. So as we got a changes set of delivery here, 10 a.m. pushing higher to these highs as expected, and HO will support it because we have a low resistance liquidity up here. You might ask me why are not taking trade then. So that's out of my rules. We are just trying to be more disciplined, and that's what we have to do. That's what it should be. So how it should be. I mean, what a beautiful expansion here. 10 a.m. open somewhere here. Change in the state of delivery, but no tap. We are just expanding higher. No tapping at all. But that's a good high time frame narrative forming there. We should say that's range again. Somehow we saved our capital today. You should be happy about that. No perfect setup, no trade. If there is any like trying to follow this thing, if you see a little bit of doubt in a setup, just risk less or you know just stay out of it. So guy, saw someone taking trade here, bro. Hell yeah, bro. Mhm. There's nothing, guys, today. Even gold is chopping. The only thing we had is in oil. We reached that, whatever target we marked out there. If you see, not this, sorry. We have just reached, we are about to reach there. And once this high gets broken, like once we inverse this fair value gap, it'll get a good push higher, at least till this high, until the oil reaches till this high, HO will support. After that, we might just consolidate there. How to get it? Let me post it here for you guys. I think I've posted it in Discord. Did I post it in Discord? Yeah, I did. I did. Give me a second. I'll just put it here. Where is that? Where is that? Here we go. Here we go. This is our indicator, bro. So do join our Discord. Let me just post it. Let me just pin the Discord link. I always forgot to put it on my description, bro. I have to get some things right. That is one, two hourly candles are just overlapping side by side, bearish and bullish. This is very bad indication. If you again go to the lower time frame, like 5 minute and 15 minute, you will see a literal barcode there. Yeah, bro. मेरा माइक डिस्कनेक्ट हुआ था। गलती से बटन दबा दिया था। मेरे को लगा था कि वो पावर ऑफ नहीं होगा। मैंने पावर ऑफ हो गया था। I was trying or something. नॉइस कैंसलेशन से कुछ फर्क पड़ रहा है क्या? I don't know how much was it. Hmm. Today was a of like trap, guys. Actually, this was our bait. Like we were bait. This was our what do you say? क्या बोल सकते हैं इसको? जो हमें लाइक हंड करने के लिए रखते हैं और and we run behind that and everything reverses from there. And we are trying not to be one of them nowadays. No, no trade day. Let's go. The best part is even after not taking trade, we are okay with that today. And actually, we are happy that we didn't take any trade. Equal highs cleared. I don't think so. अब तो पीएम में ही पता चलेगा जो भी होगा. Late PM can be late PM. FOMC. Are you going to find any trade after FOMC at 2 p.m.? No, bro. I don't trade PM session. I think I'll probably skip today. No trades, I would say. Uh, and the best part is like even people know that I'm not going to take any trades. People are just sitting and watching me. 14 people. Yes, yes, 15 people. Thank you so much, guys. No, बहुत लोग देखते हैं बहुत और लाइक स्पेशली हमारे साइड बहुत लोग दिखते हैं. मैं नहीं देखता हूँ. क्रिकेट के अलावा तो ऐसा कुछ ज़्यादा देखता नहीं हूँ। नॉट दैट टीवी गाय, यू नो। हाँ, क्रिकेट खेला हूँ, देखता हूँ। क्रिकेट इज द ओनली स्पोर्ट। नहीं नहीं, वो ऐसा वाला नहीं, हमारा तो सिर्फ गली क्रिकेट चलता है यहाँ पे। खेलते हैं भैया, बट नॉट नॉट विलेज साइड, यू नो। यहाँ पे विलेज के साइड वगैरह सपोर्ट मिलना ही बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाती है। इफ यू गो बेंगलोर बेलगाम वहाँ के साइड, नो लाइक, yeah, parents will, send their children to clubs and all. Mm. As I said, the market is giving deep retracements, coming back in range. I marked this range when I started live stream, and the market is still coming, like moving back and forth inside that range. Even here too. Nothing, guys. This total shit condition. I'll be probably looking for the market till 11, another half an hour. Anything else, guys? If you guys want any lessons, drop in comment. I'll try to explain it here as much as possible. At least we'll, utilize the time whatever we are having here. So let me tell you something, guys. Look at this, the current situation here. Look at both the assets, okay? So we cleared this high in this, and we clear this high in this, and we also have this change in state of delivery. So at this point, we are having this, even though we are having this low resistance, but no one will dare to short this because of this bullish closure in high time frame. But even after having that, market might move lower. Like we have you know, a lot of chances to move it lower because we are forming a range. We are moving market in tight range, and our draw is eventually here, previously low. So we can get a move, but no one will, dare to short it from here at this point. And these are the only moves which can be captured, like from range ends. See what I say? It can push lower, but there's a high chance of pushing it lower to the another end of. दिखाओ तो, दिखाओ, आपका स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं है, to another end of range. हाँ, when it came to HDF analysis and check to the market SMT, there is always a SMT with YM. So how to know which SMT to mark? Just give me a second, bro. I'll explain it. Let me see. हम्म, वही तो 3 मिनट में बहुत क्लियर है एसएमपी में। एसएमपी में देखो। ओहो। हम्म। So, okay, so which SMT should consider? See, bro, if the assets are totally decoupled, like there's a lot of difference in the assets, look for the asset which are very like more closer to each other. Because if the assets are totally decoupled, the different day, different way whole day. I hope you got the answer, bro. ये क्या देख रहे हो राहुल भैया? फीफा? What did I say? Look at it. Look at this, bro. Look at this perfect setup. Now we'll clear out this previous day low in S&P if we push lower. Still, I don't think so. We'll get a retracement like expansion till -2. We'll just go back in range after taking this previous day low. But I don't know. Discount zone. Equalize up there. Was somebody need to enter in a more time frame? No, it's not a compulsory thing, but if you have, that would be more nice. Like more confidence, I would say. Like it will add a lot of confidence. It's not must be kind of thing. Now change the set of delivery. Now use. Will you take this low? Yeah. It cleared this low very nicely. Look at that. Look at the previous low. Previous low is also been taken. So we are having this 70 right now. So if it's a normal day, I would have tried it out. Tried it out. Or no position, guys. Use SMT indicator. Yeah, yeah. It's just included everything in this uh, TTFM indicator. Use, but I don't know. Sometimes it marks out. Sometimes it actually doesn't marks. Depends. These relative equalize up here. Not into this trade, guys. Just I don't think that I'm in this trade. So yeah, Now tap to that change in state of delivery once again. Now new 15-minute open, we should be pushing higher. So we are having this is empty VTS and YM. So I'm expecting this low to be staying protected. Should be pushing higher here. Let's see if we can get that 15-minute push higher. So once we uh, opening price tab. What is this? We did nice. We did take any trades today. Look at that. What the fuck was this? I don't know what was it, but we saved a lot of capital today, bro. Shit. We saved a lot of capital. But now taking trades. That was nice. That was nice. It's nice. What a range. What a range we are in today. Nothing for me, guys. 11 a.m. and I'm stepping off stream. Anything else, guys? Make sure to join the live Discord as well. Previous low is not yet cleared in Nasdaq. Can we connect two Bluetooth device? Okay. I think only one. Oh, excuse me. I'm going to buy a Lucy 25K account. I'm new to the features. So can you tell a little bit about it? Which one to choose, which management to follow, and any tips which can help? I would suggest you to go with a 25K flex account, Lucid flex account. That's the cheapest one in Lucid, I think, 25K. And when it comes to risk management, it totally depends on you how you can afford, like how your mental state will be when you are risking certain amount per trade. So personally, what I do is I just go for 150 risk and try to get 300 per trade, which will take me to 4 trades to pass the 25K account, and that's pretty good. That's a very sweet spot for me when it comes to risk and when it comes to passing the account. So we'll be having only $1,000 of overall drawdown. There will be no daily drawdown, I guess. So $1,000 of overall drawdown. So if you're risking 150, you need around 6 to 7 trades to blow the account. So hopefully you're not getting 6 to 7 losses straight away. So I prefer to go with 150 because that's the sweet spot what I see. If you're new to the futures, then risk less, bro. 150 is a very sweet spot for you. Even I do the 150. 150, take out 300. If you take 4 trades, 300, then you're done. You can pass the account very easily, and you'll be having 1 month to do that. So that's a hell of a lot of time. If you ask me, making 1200 in 1 month, that's easy if you're gonna get 4 good setups. So consider if you have a couple of losses here and there, even though you'll be having a 30 days of time. So that's a sweet spot for me. Anything else, guys? 1 month time in Lucido Unlimited. No, bro, 1 month time. Any futures performs. Most of the futures firms have 1 month of time. So, so like you'll pass or blow it in a 1 month. I can say that. Thanks for the suggestion. Will surely follow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No worries, bro. Guys, think what's time? 11 a.m. That's it for today. I'm not gonna look or plan for any trades for the day. So this is how we are ending today. No trades at all because 10 a.m. was very sharp. So I actually had no plans to take any trades today. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Trade safe. I suggest you not to take any trades till the FOMC got over. So just stay away from the market. See you guys tomorrow. See you guys. Reserve your capital for tomorrow. We'll be having better days coming. So yeah, take care. Bye bye. Let's say you come at, I'll answer, just stay, buddy. Bro, let's say you come at 9:30, you made higher time frame analysis, and your bias is bullish. What do you want after market open? Bro, I just don't look for anything. If 9:30 manipulates, then I trade 10 a.m. continuation. If if there is a manipulation during 6 a.m., like 6 a.m. 4-hour candle, then I'll trade 10 a.m. Continuation. Or if we are gonna get that late manipulation during the 10 a.m. or anything, something like that. So I'll trade towards that draw, whatever the draw has left. So I don't trade before 9. I don't trade before 10 a.m. I will definitely avoid any trades before 10 a.m. and I'll frame a 10 a.m. open high low close. So yeah, that's how I look at the market. So just be with me in live stream every day. You will understand how I look at the markets, and even how I take the losses, and what are the mistakes if I take losses, and and if I win, what are the good things I do to to take those winners. You know, just be here. You'll understand. And if you have any further doubts, just drop that message in the Discord. I'll definitely answer there. It's stream is over, so I can't just come back and answer everything. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.